Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can turn off the notifications in the Tazz app. But first I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistic and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. Open the Tazz app. Then go to the bottom right corner on your profile. Then scroll down, and here you will see your subscriptions. Tap on that, and here you can turn off to get news by SMS, email, or in app. You can turn off like this, or you can turn off them by one by one. So that's pretty much for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one.